Other than nucleophilic substitution reaction, haloalkanes also undergo elimination reaction. So we shall now discuss in detail about elimination reaction. When a haloalkane reacts with an alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, elimination reaction takes place. This reaction is also known as beta elimination or dehydrohalogenation reaction. Why is it known as dehydrohalogenation reaction? It is because removal of hydrogen and halogen takes place. Why is it known as beta elimination? To understand this, you should know what is meant by alpha carbon and beta carbon, or alpha hydrogen and beta hydrogen. See the example given. Carbon carrying the halogen atom is marked alpha. Therefore, hydrogen atoms attached to the alpha carbon can be considered as alpha hydrogen atoms. The carbon next to alpha carbon is beta carbon, and the hydrogen atoms associated with beta carbon can be taken as beta hydrogen atoms. In elimination reaction, a halogen atom from alpha carbon along with a hydrogen atom from beta carbon gets eliminated. So since hydrogen is eliminated from the beta carbon, the reaction is known as beta elimination. The product obtained is an alkene. In this case, the product obtained is ethane. And what are the byproducts formed? Even though HBr gets eliminated, take HBr along with KOH. Then you will come to know that the byproducts formed are potassium bromide KBr and water H2O. In the case of elimination reaction, if a haloalkane can give two different alkenes, then the major product is determined by a rule known as Zaitsev rule. It states that the alkene with the more number of or greatest number of alkyl groups will be the major product, or the alkene which is more substituted will be the major product. Another haloalkane, 2-bromobutane, is given here. When treated with an alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, this compound undergoes elimination reaction. The carbon carrying bromine is marked as alpha carbon, and the carbon atoms on either side of alpha carbon can be taken as beta carbon, so that you can easily identify the beta hydrogen atoms. In this case, since two different beta hydrogen atoms are present around the alpha carbon, the reaction leads to the formation of two different products. Consider the first case. When beta hydrogen is eliminated from CH3 group along with bromine from alpha carbon, a double bond will be formed between those two carbon atoms, and thus the product alkene formed is but1ene. Consider the second case. When beta hydrogen is eliminated from the CH2 carbon along with bromine from the alpha carbon, a double bond will be formed between those two carbon atoms. The product alkene formed in this case is but2ene. Next, we should know, out of but1ene and but2ene, which is the major product. The major product formed in this reaction will be governed by Zaitsev rule. And what is the rule? It states that the alkene with more number of alkyl groups will be the major product. Now consider but1ene. It has only one alkyl group. Which is that alkyl group present in but1ene? It is ethyl group. Now consider but2ene. How many alkyl groups are present in but2ene? Two alkyl groups are present. Which are the two alkyl groups present in but2ene? Methyl groups. So but2ene has more number of alkyl groups present. So we can say that but2ene is the major product. Similarly, you can consider another example, 2-bromopentane. Carbon carrying bromine atom should be marked as alpha. On either side of alpha carbon, you have beta carbon atoms. The hydrogen atoms associated with these two beta carbon atoms can be taken as beta hydrogen atoms. In this case also, the reaction leads to the formation of two different products. If the hydrogen atom gets eliminated from the CH2 carbon, beta carbon, then the product formed will be pent2ene. Now, if the beta hydrogen is eliminated from the CH3 group, that is the second case, then the product obtained will be pent1ene. Now, consider the structure of pent2ene. How many alkyl groups are present in pent2ene? Two alkyl groups are present, methyl and ethyl. So, two alkyl groups are present in pent2ene, the product. Consider the next product, which is pent1ene. How many alkyl groups are present in pent1ene? Only one alkyl group. Which is that alkyl group? Propyl group. So, out of pent2ene and pent1ene, which alkene has more number of alkyl groups? It is pent2ene. Therefore, we can say that the major product is pent2ene. Important points regarding elimination reaction. The reaction is given by alkyl halide. It takes place in the presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Beta hydrogen along with halogen atom gets eliminated. The product formed is an alkene. The major product formed or the major product is that alkene with more number of alkyl groups. So that's all about today's topics: SN1 reaction, SN2 reaction and elimination reaction. Stay focused and study well.